I cannot wait to show you this deliciously moist apple loaf cake recipe. I truly believe it is the best apple cake recipe ever. So moist and loaded with more apples than dough. To make this moist apple cake, start by mixing 3 eggs with 200 grams of sugar. Use an electric mixer on medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy, as you can see here. Then, mix in 150 grams of sour cream and 60 grams of melted butter. After that, add in 250 grams of all-purpose flour that is mixed with about 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and stir it all together until it is smooth. Next, take 2 apples, such as Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, Fuji, or Gala, and chop them into small pieces, then fold them gently into the cake batter. Next, pour the batter into a loaf pan that is greased with some butter, and make sure to spread it evenly. Now, thinly slice 1 apple and arrange the apple slices on top of the cake batter, gently pressing them in so they stick, as you can see me doing here. Next bake the apple cake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until the cake is golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Dust it with some powdered sugar and enjoy the best apple cake recipe ever. That is so moist and crumbly that you will want to go back for seconds. Check out also how to make this super easy and moist banana bread recipe here with no cake mix and just 3 ingredients. Check it out now.